Nice. These are vintage modernized elevators at the former Chase Building parking garage here in downtown Phoenix. Chase Tower is no longer now. That building's vacant. You used to be able to take a tunnel to the Chase Tower, but now it's just fenced off down there. It's just more parking. See, look at that. Look how vintagey it looks. Here, I want to show you all the tunnel. One of my friends likes tunnels, so I'm going to show it for him. See, that used to be it right here. See. You can get this one. See, that's what it used to look like. It used to be really beautiful. So sad that Chase no longer vacates that tower. We're gonna get off at 6. It's still the same cab view, so I'm not gonna show it. We are not going up. Uh-oh. I think I'm stuck. I'm getting another elevator. That one's a death trap. Yep, this one's a lot better. But look at that vintage indicator. Yeah, that one's a death trap, so I'm gonna get this one. Look at those vintage looking lights. And we're gonna get off here. And that's it. And that's the former Chase Tower right there, which is Arizona's tallest building, is now completely vacant. And that's it.